Hello everyone, this is Jeff and today I want to show you how to easily assemble the 3-burner expert propane gas grill model XG1136207123012. If you need a part, the model number will help you. As you see, the size of the grill after assembly will be 47 inches long, 23.3 inches wide, and 41.6 inches high. And if you order it online, you will receive a box that measures 26 inches long, 19.3 inches wide, and 17.3 inches high, and its weight is approximately 40 pounds or 18 kilograms, which is not hardly heavy to carry. Expert grill with 3 burners has 2 models, old and new one. If you have the old model, you can see the link of assembling through on the top of the page or in the description section below for old video. The required tools to assemble this grill are a Phillips screwdriver size 2 or medium and an adjustable wrench that you must have them, and nothing is sent with the grill. To start, find a clean area like carpet or cardboard and take the parts out of the box and arrange them around the assembly area so that you can easily read the numbers on them. Also, that the paint of the parts is not damaged during assembly. After removing the parts from the box, check all of them to make sure there are no dents or paint damage, and if so, immediately call the customer service so that they can send you the damaged part free of charge. Each store has a limit time to return product. Make sure that they send to you the required part before the return due date. Otherwise, return the product 1 day before the return due date. All bolts and nuts have special leathers to help you find them faster during assembly. Do not take them all out of the place and only take them out when you need it to avoid problems. Okay, let's start by connecting the legs or part number 2 to 2 parts number 4. If the number is not on the part number 2 is the one up to which the chain is connected, and the chain should be facing you. The 2 parts number 4 are the base of the wheels, and connect them to part 2 with the wheel shaft facing outward. The next part is number 9. In the part where there is a connection hole, one side of it is flat and one side is raised or threaded. Install part number 9 between the 2 legs of part number 4 in such a way that the flat side is facing you first, and the 2 grooves of part 9 are facing upward, and then connected to the legs or part 4 with 2 screws or part number 25. The next step is to connect the other leg or part number 1 and part number 3. Part number 3 should be placed in a position where its triangular part is facing outward and install it to part number 1. The next step is to install the front grill panel or part number 5. For ease of assembly, first place part 2 and 4, which from one of the grill legs and the wheels are supposed to be attached to it on the right side, and connect the front panel or part 5 with 2 screws or number 25 according to the video. Now connect part 1 and 3, or actually the other grill base, to the panel in such a way that their top faces face each other. When connecting, you must install both parts 6 and 7 at the same time. Install part 7 or the support rod in a position where the question mark is facing up, and connect the 3 parts of the front panel, the left leg, and the support rod with the screw part number 25. Now install the legs connector or part 6 with a screw to the leg and panel in the lower hole. To connect the other side of part 7 and 6 to the back of the grill base, the back support of the cart or part number 8 must be installed at the same time. Part number 24 is a bar that supports the back and front of the leg. One side has a question mark and the other side is bent. First, put the bent side in the lower hole of the front panel and then connect the other side to the lower part of part number 8. Part number 8 should be placed in such a way that the middle parts are placed on the upper side. Now connect all parts with 4 screws number 25. The next step is to connect the wheels. Place the raised plastic part of the wheel inside the shaft and tighten them with the nuts or part E until the wheels can move easily. Install part number 12 or a heat shield in place on the top side, on the side where the wheels are located. Install the LP gas tank retainer rod or part number 10 according to the video. To install the handle, first loosen the pre-installed screws. Place the heat shield inside the grill lid and install the handle on the grill lid. Next, install the grease cap holder with 2 screws number B and 2 washers number C according to the video. Now it's time to place the grill body on the bases and connect it with 4 screws or part number A and 4 washers or part number D. To install the left side shelf or part 13, first slightly loosen the 4 pre-installed screws and put the shelf in its place, then tighten the screws. In order not to install the left and right shelf by mistake, the left shelf has 3 hangers. To install the right side shelf or part 14, also slightly loosen the 4 pre-installed screws and put the shelf in its place and tighten the screws. Now install the 3 gas control knobs with a little pressure in its place. Put the heat plate of the burners or part 21 on the burners regardless of the direction. Put the cooking grate in place with the flat side facing up. To install the warming rack or part 23, first put the upper part rods inside the hole and then put the lower part movable rod in place with a little pressure. As you watch, I want to share something with you. Unfortunately, as you see, most of the people who watch my videos are non-subscribers and only a very small percentage have subscribed. Each video sometimes takes up 2 to 3 weeks to prepare. I really need your support to continue, so please support me in this way by subscribing and liking video. Thank you to all. The last step, put the grease cap in place and install the propane gas tank and enjoy the grill. Before use, wash the cooking grits and warming rack to remove dust and other substances. I hope you enjoyed this video and it's helped you assemble the grill easily. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Be safe. Until next video.